Did you know that you have attracted every single thing in your life up until this very moment? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be making this video in which I will be explaining the law of attraction, manifestation, how to effectively manifest your dream life, and techniques in which you can do this, and also just the basics of what the law of attraction actually is. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Before we get right into it, I just want to say real quick rant. This day has been a roller coaster. I woke up at 1 p.m. and so I haven't actually been awake for that long, but I pretty much spent my whole day prepping for this video and like getting ready for it. And then it was like freaking like raining and cloudy and the lighting was disgusting. And then I was really upset. And then my mom was like a couple hours later was like, Naomi, what do you mean? It's nice out now. And I was like, it is. And the lighting is like kind of better. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna make this video because I was so excited and I keep on getting questions from you guys and I just want to answer them and I just want to make it. So let's get right into this video. Now, without further ado. Every single moment in your life has brought you to the present moment. You are constantly attracting things into your life without even realizing it. The law of attraction, simply put, says that you will attract into your life what you focus on. You can attract negative things into your life and you can attract positive things into your life. When I say I'm going to be teaching you how to manifest, what I really mean is how to manifest intentionally, because you are actually already always manifesting. You cannot stop. And there is no pause button in life, obviously. You are constantly attracting things into your life based on your thoughts, based on your feelings, based on your level of vibration. If you focus on the good in life and you are constantly feeling positive, feeling good energy, good feelings, you are attracting more of that into your life, where vice versa is also true. Whereas if you are focusing on the negative constantly, you are attracting negative things into your life. And when you understand this and learn how to work with it and maneuver it a little bit, I actually don't know what the word maneuver means, so I really hope I use that correctly, then you can manifest anything you want into your life. And I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. This is life-changing. The law of attraction says, I will attract what I want into my life. Manifestation is a little bit different, where it says that I will attract what I am into my life. Both of these things are actually true in the sense where you are attracting what you are into your life. You are attracting what you're giving out. We are actually magnets, constantly attracting what we are into our lives. So when it comes to the law of attraction, you're attracting what you want into your life. A manifestation is saying you are attracting what you are into your life. Well, you can use the law of attraction to attract what you want into your life when you know that you are attracting what you are. So the trick is to become what you want and the person you want to be in your mind, and then it comes into the physical. I know this sounds crazy. I know I sound like a crazy person. Please bear with me, I will be explaining this. Basically, every single thing in this world is made up of energy. I'm made up of energy, you are made up of energy. Everything is made up of energy, and everything is constantly in motion. Everything is constantly vibrating, and we are all vibrating at different frequencies based off of the energy that we are giving off. Think about when somebody says like, oh, like I vibe with that person, like I vibe with you. What that really means is we are connected vibrationally. Vibe, vibration, it's the same thing. So when you're vibing with someone, you are on the same vibrational playing field. And whatever you're vibrating at the same frequency as in your life, you are attracting into your life like a magnet. Whatever it is that I desire is vibrating at a very high frequency. And if I'm in a bad mood, I'm thinking I can't have this thing, I'm in a bad place, I'm upset, whatever, I'm not gonna be able to attract this thing into my life because we are at different frequencies. So when I learn how to raise my vibration and become happier and more fulfilled from within, then I'm raising my vibration, I'm at a happy, fulfilled place, and then I can easily attract that thing into my life like a magnet, because you attract what you are. If I want to attract money, then I have to already believe that I'm wealthy, that I'm rich, and then I'm attracting that into my life. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. The law of attraction is actually not just a spiritual belief, it is a scientific proven fact. There are millions and millions of success stories of people who have created their own dream life using the law of attraction. It is crazy. You should definitely look up some success stories if you're trying to raise your faith, because hearing about it is actually amazing. There is no wish too big, there is no wish too small. You can have anything. Whatever it is in life you're focusing on, the universe is granting you. However, everything that you're thinking, saying, writing is constantly coming into existence. Think about maybe if you've ever woken up one day and first thing when you got out of bed, you stubbed your toe. And now you're thinking, now my whole day is gonna be bad. You started your day bad, and now you're in this place of, okay, now I'm in a bad mood, because the way that you started your day is the way that you're continuing for the rest of the day, because you are holding on to those negative feelings. Have you ever heard the phrase, woken up on the wrong side of bed? After one thing goes wrong, every single thing goes wrong. That's no coincidence. Once you are in this bad mindset, more bad things are coming to you. So that's why it is so important to learn to let go of bad emotions and constantly be raising your vibration in order to be attracting things of a high vibration into your life. For example, if you're saying, my crush doesn't like me, my crush doesn't text me, my crush doesn't talk to me, the universe says, okay, your wish is my command. Your crush does now not like you. Your crush now won't text you. Your crush isn't going to talk to you. That's an example of manifesting something that you probably wouldn't want. The opposite is true, vice versa, where if you're like, my crush texts me all the time, my crush likes me, and so on, the universe says, okay, your wish is my command, and that becomes your reality. When it comes to the law of attraction and manifestation, you have to let go of the past and the future. They do not really exist. The only thing that exists is the present moment, and you are creating your future by living in the present moment. So you have to always stay present in the moment and be manifesting the things you want in the future by already having them in your mind, because that's how they come into the physical. Now we are going to be getting into the actual methods in which you can manifest. So the first thing I want to be teaching you guys about is affirmations. An affirmation is basically a positive statement in the present tense. You can use affirmations when trying to manifest specific things into your life. For example, if you're trying to manifest self-confidence, I would use the affirmation, I am so happy and grateful now that I am so self-confident. And you can do this with anything. You can, if it's money, you can say, I'm making so much money every day. I make money all the time. I'm constantly bringing money into my life. I am wealthy, so on and so forth, whatever you want it to be. If you're attracting a specific person or a girlfriend or a boyfriend or a significant other, let's say you can say, I am so happy and grateful now that I am in a happy and loving relationship with blank. You can say my specific person. If it's an actual specific person that you know in real life, you can even use their name. Another thing you have to keep in mind is that, again, you're always manifesting. So affirmations are no different than affirming what you currently have. So let's say that you are currently in debt and you're just complaining and you're like, I have so much debt, I have no money, blah, blah, blah. That is what you're affirming, and that is what's becoming true. So all you're doing is flipping that and creating a new affirmation for the present, and your present actually makes up the future. So when it comes to affirmations, two methods that I really recommend using, especially for the beginners, and you can always use these, are the 3-3-3 method and the 5-5-5 method, or 3x33, 5x55, whatever. For the 3x33 method, it's basically when you pick an affirmation, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest into your life. I'll use the self-confidence one. I am so happy and grateful now that I'm so self-confident. Every single day for 3 days at the same time every day, you are going to take your notebook and you are going to write down 33 times, I am so happy and grateful now that I'm so self-confident. I just completely switched rooms because it's getting dark out and the lighting got bad in the room that I was in. I swear to God, this lighting is killing me. But basically the 5x55 method is the exact same thing, except instead of doing this for 3 days straight, you're doing it for 5 days straight, and you're writing down your affirmation 55 times rather than 33 times. Now I'm gonna get into the actual step-by-step process of how you manifest something into your life. So right here, I have my manifesting journal. It's pretty cute. I really like it. I decorated it. Gotta make it your own, gotta make it fun. You can use anything for this. Just writing down becomes so powerful, and I'm gonna be talking about scripting in a minute. I'm going to tell you the step-by-step process of how to manifest. Step 1, you have to ask. This is you asking the universe for what you want. I took the liberty of preparing for this video by writing down the steps just so that I didn't have to like be like while I was talking. I could just like read it right off the paper. So you're asking the universe for what you want. This is you writing it down in the present tense. This is the affirmations that we talked about. I'm so happy and grateful now that. This is whatever it is you want to manifest. Guys, I'm not kidding. It can be anything in the whole world. There is no wish too big. The universe can give anything to you with the snap of a finger. So you're writing down this affirmation. This is you placing your order with the universe. Okay, the second step is to believe. You have to believe that it is already yours. You have to have unwavering faith. The universe will start to rearrange itself to make it happen for you. You have to let go of the how. It doesn't matter the way. It doesn't matter how it's going to happen. It does not matter when it's going to happen. The bottom line is that it is going to happen. You have to know, I am going to have this thing. It doesn't matter when. Let go of time. The present moment is the only thing that matters. And if you believe now that you have it, then you will have it. I promise. The law of attraction always works as long as you are not doubting the process, and it takes time to get really good at trusting, but once you can do it, you will see that the results are insane. Now, it's normal for feelings of doubt to come up, where you feel like, this isn't actually gonna happen. What am I doing? This isn't real. Like, I'll try and manifest, but I don't feel like it's really gonna happen. As soon as you think that, guess what the universe says? Okay, your wish is my command. Now it's not going to happen. So whenever you have feelings of doubt, replace that with, I know it is coming. I know it is coming. Replace it with a feeling of unwavering faith. The last step is to receive. Begin to feel wonderful about it. Feel the way that you will feel once it arrives. Embody those emotions. It's important to feel good and happy during this process because you're then putting yourself in the frequency of what you want. You have to feel it. What I mean by saying you have to feel it is when you're manifesting, you have to experience the emotions as if you have this thing right now. So whether that's happiness, joy, excitement, whatever it is, whatever comes up, those are the feelings that you want to feel. So different ways of manifesting are scripting. Take a notebook, take a pen, and basically this is you looking at your catalog of everything that you want, and you are basically placing your order with the universe. You can write about your life in every single way in the present tense as if you already have these things because you are going to have them, and just explain your life and everything that you want. The more detail, the better. Write it all down, script for, I would say a minimum of 12 minutes, put on some nice music in the background that you like. I recommend frequency music, and then follow those same steps after you finish scripting. So believe that whatever you are manifesting is already on its way to you. When you finish manifesting, a nice affirmation I like to use is, my desires are on the way, or something even better is coming. You have to trust the universe. The universe can give you whatever you want as long as you believe it is already yours. Ignore that dinging in the background. Another thing that I like to do is visualizing, which is something that you should be doing every single day. I literally cannot decide how to do my hair. But all it means is taking a couple deep breaths to center yourself and then envisioning whatever it is that you want in the present moment. So you're closing your eyes. Let's say you want a car. Envision the car. Pretend you're in the car. See your hands on the steering wheel. Drive the car. Feel the emotions that come with having this car. Feel it, experience it, love it, and then let it go. The universe will give it to you. When it comes to letting go, I'm gonna give you an example that really helped me understand how to do it. Think of when you're in a restaurant and you place your order with the waiter. While you're waiting for that order to come, you're not thinking of how are they making this? When is it going to come? You're sitting back, you're enjoying your water, you're hanging out with people, you're talking, and you know that your food is coming. You're not obsessed with when it's coming. You're not obsessed with how the chef is making it because you know it's going to come. It is the same exact thing. Do not obsess about how this thing is being brought to you. Do not obsess about when it's going to be brought to you, because it is going to be brought to you. And the less you obsess and the more that you believe, the faster it will come into your life. The last thing you need to know is to express gratitude. So after you finish manifesting, or even just first thing in the morning, one of my favorite things to do is just write down 10 things that I'm grateful for. This will help so much to help you feel in a place where you are already happy with the life that you have. When you are in a place where you are already happy and fulfilled, you are not going to be obsessing about this thing because you are already happy the way that you are. Expressing gratitude and feeling thankful for the things you already have in your life will show the universe that you are vibrating at a higher frequency and you can attract the things you want into your life, because when you're in a place of happiness, you can attract more happiness into your life along with the things that bring you happiness. Guys, I'm going to be making so many more videos in the future about really getting into the specifics of all of these things, but in this video I wanted to brush over everything and all of the aspects, and I want to get into more specifics on ways to raise your vibration, very specifics of scripting, visualizing, and whatever questions you guys have to ask. Please stay tuned for more videos. I'm also going to be doing lots of other stuff in the future. I wanted to do a funny, stupid thing for my first video, but I was getting so many questions about the law of attraction and I was so excited to talk about it that I needed this to be my first video other than my intro, obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it with all of my heart. I love all of you so much. Keep asking questions. I will be answering all of them. This information will change your life. It's changed mine so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.